Hello, my dear students. Welcome in the last segment of IVC. Till now, we understood that the IVC people were skillful and they had excelled in the field of administration, agriculture, and art and craft. The main highlights of today's session are development of trade and commerce, religion and culture, and the different causes of the decline of IVC. To know more about the economic condition of IVC, we must understand about their trade and commerce. It is believed that the people of IVC traded extensively within the civilization and with the other civilizations. Indus Valley seals were found in Mesopotamian excavations, and Mesopotamian seals were discovered in Harappa indicates that the possibility of long distance trade between both the civilizations. As they did not use metal money, and perhaps carried exchanges through the barter system. Among the items of exchange were silver, copper, lapis lazuli, and turquoise, most of which came from the West or the Central Asia. Harappans had trade relations with Afghanistan and Iran also. The extent of trading network was confirmed through the discovery of a small settlement in Sortgai, served as the trading colony in northeast Afghanistan. What is trading colony? Trading colony means a station of traders. Items such as timber, cotton, spices were traded with the countries across the Persian Gulf. Copper was obtained from the mines of present-day Rajasthan, and tin was procured from Afghanistan. Although the barter system was prevalent, several standardized stone weights have been found at Mohenjo-daro. The trade was done through the land as well as sea routes. Lothal in Gujarat was an important port city of the civilization. While going through their trade and commerce, we came across with the different kinds of seals. So let's know something more about seals. The thousands of seals have been found from IVC sites. Most of them have short inscriptions with the pictures of one-horned unicorns, buffaloes, tigers, rhinoceros, goats, elephants, antelopes, and crocodiles. What is seal? A seal is a typical flat, rectangular or square tablet made of steatite and faience. Let's know the different uses of seals. They were probably used by traders and merchants for stamping goods. However, some were also used as the ornaments such as the amulets. The most surprising fact about the IVC that the earliest known system of writing is found in Harappa. The most amazing fact is that the Harappan script is pictographic. What is pictographic? This means that the script is in the form of pictures, in which each letter stands for some idea or object. Writing was done using a pointed stick in the soft clay or with a sharp tool to scratch marks on the stone or metal. Around 400 different symbols have been discovered. However, this script is not yet deciphered, and hence the contents of these inscriptions are unknown to us. It's time to understand about their religion and culture. As none of the structures in any of the sites have been identified as religious buildings, it is difficult to know more about their religious beliefs. However, on the basis of information gathered from the Harappan seals, we can come to a conclusion that the worship of Mother Goddess was prevalent in society, as many figurines of this Mother Goddess have been found. Apart from the figurines, some seals bearing the image of the male deity with three faces, seated in a yogic position and surrounded by various animals, also been found, is referred as Pashupati and is believed to be the ancient depiction of Lord Shiva. Animism was also practiced by the IVC people. What is animism? Animism means worship of stones, trees, and animals, in the belief that these are abodes of spirits, good or evil. The most fascinating fact about the IVC is that their belief of life after death. They buried their dead with the daily use items such as utensils, pots, tools, and ornaments. They also cremated their dead, and the ash was stored in an urn and kept with their daily utensils. Till now, we understood that the IBC was one of the largest and prosperous civilizations of ancient world. But most unfortunate thing about IBC is that it saw a sudden decline. It reaches its peak between 2600 BC and 1900 BC. However, this great civilization seems to have fallen apart between 1900 BC and 1700 BC. Let's find out the probable causes of its decline. There are various theories that state the possible causes of its decline. Flood and drought. Some scholars believe that the river Indus and Ravi suddenly changes their courses, causing floods in some areas and droughts in other areas. Deforestation. There are others who feel that the deforestation was the main cause of decline. Invasions. According to some historians, IBC was destroyed due to the Aryans' invasion. They would have possibly destroyed the cities of IBC. Whatever to be the factor, it must have led to the environmental disaster which caused the crops to fail, people starved, and diseases spread. So, based on the evidences and information gathered, we can conclude that the IBC laid the foundation of Indian culture and society. It is one of the most widely researched of all the ancient civilizations. Its greatness still instills a feeling of pride in every Indian's heart. So that's all about IBC. I hope that you all enjoyed the chapter. The question answer PDF of the chapter is available in description box. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for the new uploads.